Now, in this stage, we're going to be talking about hashes in Ruby. A hash is a kind of data structure similar to an array. Hashes can store any kind of data. However, unlike arrays, instead of getting at that data by using its position or index, you store and get at the data using something called a key. Hashes in Ruby are similar to something called associative arrays in other languages. When working with hashes, a key can be any Ruby object. For the most part, keys are going to be strings, symbols, or numbers. Since hashes refer to objects by keys rather than indexes, it's faster to access the data since the Ruby interpreter only needs to know one point of information to look up. Now let's go ahead and take a look to the different ways of creating and working with hashes. But first we need to install, it's good to install something called AwesomePrint. This isn't extremely necessary when working with hashes. However, it's going to give us some really nice output that we can see on the screen. We just need to install it using gem install AwesomePrint. And that's it, it's installed. Let's go ahead and launch IRB. Since AwesomePrint is Ruby gem, we have to tell IRB to load the Ruby gems. We do that by typing required Ruby gems. Now let's load the AwesomePrint gem. Okay. Then let's require AwesomePrint gem. Okay. Let's create our first hash. Similar to an array, we can create it using the class name and the word new, .new, and then we got a hash. But as always, it's more likely to work with the keys or curly braces instead. So we can create also using curly braces syntax. There you are. Curly braces are Ruby's way of letting you know that it's a hash. There's actually another way of creating a hash. We talked about keys and values. Let's create a key value pair. Let's say hash here we have the key hello and the value world. There you are. Now let's use AwesomePrint to print this hash. Now take a look, it's printing the key and the value in another color. Once you have the hash, you can add more key value pairs by using brackets. Let's say we're going to add another. Let's add my name. Hash brackets name. And let's say it's Sebastian. And now if we use AwesomePrint again and print the hash, now you can see we have the value war and the value Sebastian, each one with its key, hello and name. We can also add those values while creating the hash by using commas like this. Hash equals hello world, comma name Sebastian. That's it. Now we have the same hash again, but we created once in a line. Let's make another example. I'm going to create another hash called Rails Karate. So let's say Rails Karate equals an empty hash. Now let's add the values of Rails Karate. Rails Karate. Let's add a new value here. It's gonna be location the internet. Well, another new value is gonna be website. RailsKarate.com. Another value is gonna be Twitter. It's gonna be Rails Karate. That's it. If we use awesome print for print this hash, and you can see we got the three keys and value pairs that we already did. If I want to get one of the values, I can just type name of the hash, Rails Karate, brackets, and the name of the key. This time I want to get location. And if you see it returns the internet that is the value of this key. Well, now let's go ahead and try creating your own hashes with your own examples. And if you have doubts and just want to say hello, leave us a comment. The next lesson will teach you more about keys and values in depth. As always, don't forget to follow me on Twitter as Vastrimbulandia. Always follow Rails Karate on Twitter. Follow us on Facebook. Always keep an eye on RailsKarate.com where you will find the transcript of this video. And thanks for subscribing to our channel. See you next video.